Thank you, Chair. My question through you to the Attorney-General is, does the First Nations voice to Parliament support this bill in its current form?
Attorney.
I thank the Honourable for the question. As I outlined, I think in my second reading speech and also my second reading sum-up speech, we have had direct consultation with the First Nations voice in relation to the bill. They made a number of suggestions which are taken into account.
The Honourable Mr Franks.
Thank you, Chair. And through you to the Attorney-General, does the First Nations voice support this bill in its current form?
Attorney.
Again, I thank the Honourable Member for her question. We are not regularly in the habit of, once we've made changes as a result of suggestion made, going out to consult. That could lead to an endless cycle of consultations every time changes are made for further changes and further consultation.
Ms Franks.
Thank you, Chair. Through you to the Attorney-General, was the bill that we had before us the same format that was provided to the SA First Nations voice to Parliament or not? And on what date was it provided to them?
Attorney.
Well, I don't have an exact date, but yeah, certainly I'm trying to remember. I couldn't guess on a date, but certainly in the 3 months since the draft was released, there was a version of the bill that was provided, that was in the original version that went out for consultation. As a result of that consultation, significant changes have been made, and that's what's presented before us today.
The Honourable Ms Franks.
Which stakeholders, through you, Chair, which stakeholders support this bill in its current form?
Attorney.
I think the Honourable Member for her question. I don't have a full list. As I've said, there were almost, as I understand it, 3 dozen submissions received. Some of the concerns that were raised amongst groups were similar to the concerns that were raised by the First Nations voice. I think there was both support for the bill in the consultations as well as concerns raised, and we have taken into account some of those.